Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go above your name, click on it here. When you click on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. So then go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time. And all you have to do, just click on visibility here. And it's going to take you to this list. You click here on here representing here your organization and interests. Just click on it and you come here to profile information on content, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.